Hey Motodians, what's going on? This is MSG from MSG Moto Vlogs. And we're out here on this beautiful day just by this multi-sport complex outdoor park. And we're in the West Island of Montreal. I'm approximately 32 kilometers away from my house, and I'm here with the Segway Max. No, it's not the ES3. I brought the ES3 back some 10 days ago or 13 days ago, and I picked this up. This is the Segway Max. It is the G30P model, I believe, and it's got a range of about 64 kilometers. I'm about 32 kilometers from home right now, and I'm going to attempt to drive back home on this, see if I could do it as fast as possible. Checking with the app, it said that I have 100% battery. Let's just go into the app and check it out. Let's go over here. So as you can see, I'm screen recording right now, and I've owned this for 10 days. Today we are Monday in July, I believe it's the 13th. And so we've got, let's see what we got. We got 100% battery. We've got 65 kilometer range, and I've got approximately almost 100 kilometers on it. So let's see the map right here. The map says we have to travel. Let's go check it out now. Go here, bam, open up Google Maps. We are, yes, okay, so here we are. Sorry for that. We are right here in the West Island here. So we've got to traverse all this down to the red point right here. And it says it's going to take us 1 hour and 45 minutes to do so for a total of 32 kilometers. So let's get to it. So the plan for this ride is, I almost knocked it over. For the plan for this ride, we're going to capture a little bit of bee footage and stop along the way, maybe have something to eat or something to drink. Let's get to it. Let's go, guys. Taking this overpass to get to the other side. I'm not sure if you could see off in the distance the St. Lawrence Seaway. We got to go down there to take the bicycle path, and rather than burning up a good percentage of the battery coming up this ramp, I decided to get off and walk it up, and then we can ride it down. Yep, buddy. So far the ride has gone off without a hitch. So effing fun. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Hey, a ruckus. You can gas scooter over the path. Should I have gone that way or this way? Ah, we'll go this way. Why not? Let's get crazy. Hey guys, I'm making good progress. Still not sure whether or not I'm gonna make it back home with enough power. I'll be surprised if I do. According to the app, it's showing that there is 44 kilometers range left, and we're at 68% battery, which is represented by 3 solid, which is 60, and a flashing, which is I guess the 8. So yeah, I got here 20 minutes ago. Right now it's 3:55. I left at 2:44, so it's about 1 hour and 10 minutes later. I've probably been here for about 15-20 minutes. I had a little snack and something to drink, and I had an opportunity to take some B-roll here. And yeah, we're gonna get back on it right now, and we're going to try to finish off this journey. let's go to the Google Maps and see where we are so I can have some reference to give you guys. Let's see here now. So right now I am in Dorval right here, represented by the bicycle, and I still have to go here. So let's redo this, and we're gonna change this to where I gotta go. Bam, bam, bam. I'm gonna go here, and we're going to see how long it takes. Let me just turn on my data here, and let's see here now. We have 58 minutes to go, 19 kilometers. I think we can do it. I've been driving mostly in eco and drive D mode, and it's been going pretty well. 25 kilometers per hour, which is pretty reasonable. It's generally flat, not very many hills or whatnot, so we're doing pretty well. I'm surprised, and I'm glad that I'm recording this, because I'm actually shocking myself. I'm not sure if this is actually going to work out. I'm kind of certain that it will, but still, I'm still apprehensive, and yeah. So let's get right back on it. No time to waste, and we'll be Mo, what's goody, my guy? Everything good? I ain't seen you in a hot minute, my guy. Everything good?
Yes.
Yeah?
Okay, man. Enjoy the rest of your journey. Bye. Alright, bye. Ollie, take it easy, bud. Okay.
So just a quick update. I'm at 2 bars, and I probably got another 10 clicks to go. We are approximately, in my estimation, probably about another 15-minute drive away. As you could see here, we're going from here to this red pin, and it's probably only a couple kilometers. I would say about 5, maybe 6 kilometers at max. So we got to go down there right now, and we've got, what do we got on this scoot here? We've got 34% battery left, which is a range of 22. We started at 100, so we did about 28 kilometers. So we've got another about, I would say about 6, because I believe it was 32 kilometers. So that's another about 4-5 kilometers to go. So let's go get it. No time to waste. Let's get on home so we can charge this thing up and upload this video and show you guys what type of range we are getting on the Max. All right, people, I'll see you again shortly. Monggo, sabo, boss.
Hey, how are you, I guess? Oh, wait, sabat pagi nanti. Kamu tahu? Oh, okay. Yeah. That's it, yeah. You're gonna install them one day. Can I get a picture? Can you step back? Can I get both of them together? I just gotta stay still, cause I can't breathe. It's okay, yeah. A little blur, but I'm gonna cut that and copy it out after, you know what I mean? Wait. Oh, okay. Yes. Yeah, I have it in my bag. I know you're talking about stabilizer. Yeah, I have one inside my bag. Yeah.
All right, people, so we are here, we're home. So to just recap what we have accomplished today, let's go and check the app. Let's go check the app out and see how much ground we covered. Let's have that, connect that. Okay, so we've got one solid bar left, one whole bar. So that represents 20%. Let's see here now. We've got approximately 10 kilometers left, 15% battery left. Well, that was my last ride there, but let's go back. So we started at 99 and we did 36 kilometers today. I did make a small detour, but overall I would say if we could get another 10 kilometers out of here, I would have said we got a good 46 solid kilometers out of it. It's sort of like a stretch from the 65 original kilometers. But I have to mention that I did go into sport mode a couple times and I was driving in drive mode, D mode. So I definitely did not stay within the eco mode. So that could probably explain the results of 64 kilometers versus the 46 or 56 was it? I can't remember. I'll put that in the description below, but we definitely didn't get 65 kilometers. The bike handled extremely well. I didn't have any problems with it whatsoever. Operated flawlessly. So I think that's a real world range test that nobody would want to drive around on a scooter in eco mode doing 15 kilometers. Anyways, if you guys have any questions about the ride or the range or about the Max in general, I'd like to hear them. And also, is the Max something that you guys are considering buying, or are you guys looking at something else? Again, I just want to thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps you guys out with some of the answers, some of the questions, and I provided some of the answers that you guys wanted to hear. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel and you want to continue seeing footage like this and videos like this. And I just want to thank you guys for riding with me. That's about it for now. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is MSG from MSG Moto Vlogs. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.